Bolingo na lingi, bolingo na lingi. Welcome on board. When you come, you hit the share button. You come, you hit the share button. We get a lot for talk today. We get a lot for talk as far as the revolution be concerned. We no be happy because we there for the sad mood for about what it happened for Batibo, and the one be happened 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago for Bowie. So we not be happy to see our own brother killing our own brother. So if you come, you share, you come, you share, you hit the share button. Yes, you hit the share button. Get for the people the way they kill our people. We get for expose them one after another. Expose them one after another, and we go follow them till the last man standing. As we fight this revolution, fight them when the revolution end. Any man wey think say as it dey diaspora fee manipulate me the key our picking the for down, the war will end, but the war will end for them. So when you come, you share. Let me see people the way they Romanos Aponji, I see you. 21 gun salute. Alex Aza, I see you. 21 gun salute. 21 gun salute. Whatever una dey. Yes, so when you come, you share. Revival, I see you. 21 gun salute. Larry Copper, my man, I see you. 21 gun salute. You come, you share. I see you. 21 gun salute. Long time, bro. I never hear for you. We get to uncover the blood socket, the people the way they kill our boys, our youth. Them. It's time to start calling names. Joe Eric, I see you. Paul Peace, 21 gun salute. Mr. Eric, 21 gun salute. So we get to start uncover the enablers where they help the Republic to facilitate the killings of our youth. Yes, the killing of our youth. So we get plenty for talk today, and Operation RPG still going to go on. Rachel, I see you. Mankind, I see you. 21 gun salute. Wherever you did. Revolutionary greetings. Okay, I think say in that light, Magnus, 21 gun salute. Revolutionary greetings. We come hit. And now God bless you. Beyonce, God bless you. Thank you. Good evening, wherever you there. 21 gun salute. Yes, I think say in that light we don't get a small number because we don't need to get a huge number before we start. In the due process, the information it will go for the right place for sideway it's supposed to go. But in this light, we get to talk plenty things the way we don't observe them and way they happen for the revolution. Without that, we go keep on standing on the same spot. Fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens of the revolution, good evening wherever una dey in the kingdom of Belgium here. Good evening, and at the same time with Ground Zero, we happy for get the same time with Ground Zero. So we are proud of that. So we get for start the issue for the day before we come for the main issue where it happened for Bowie. the ADF atrocity in Bui and the ADF atrocity in Batibo, and who the day behind, after investigation and everything, who then caused this barbaric. We go talk that one. So when you come, and then we go introduce a method where we will help our fighters them for identify who be the black leg for this our revolution. Because we like the activists, or activists not only mean saying a person way they can stand up, you were the right, or who they 24 hours active on Facebook, Twitters, Instagram, and all the other media. We get for start a method for help our boys them for identify who they be black leg. We go come into that one. But fellow ambassadors, once more, una good evening, wherever una day. We go start with this issue directly. We go to the point, the issue of election. We don't talk say election, it be banned. In short, we not get anything for ambassador. Election it exists for ambassador. So any person where they catch you, you even come out outside that day, for even talk say just talk your foot. I think now from the 4th to the 7th, when lockdown a day. From the 4th to the 7th, a very short period, you know, now just 3 days interval. This day, we see Mami Wata goes down. See, fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, we don't fight this war. We don't fight the war reach for a maturity stage. And we know we see some people for stop we for what they fight ahead. I don't talk am again. Say, make we will not ever think for our life. Ambassador people think say na international body go help we. International body they come with our action. Now what action we call international body? No be we, no be international call we. Now we our action for ground zero. Our resolve, our resistance, our determination to put La Republic into their knees. When La Republic will need that carry the hand up, we will see what are the international body. They know will come. When we start to call international body, they don't look with the laugh. What if we don't do? International body, they look and say, what if we don't do? Because my tell ambassador people something. International body, they know if they say some people they just say international body don't keep blind eyes on ambassador revolution. They never keep a blind eye. They never keep a blind eye. Then they watch now with cunning eye. Then they just spy and spy. Then they watch keenly. They get plenty things they put that table. They get plenty things that don't happen. War the way don't happen. And they see the way the people they achieved their own independence. It not be easy. It not be easy. So they see look for I will see our determination. By the time when we hit the target, they will say, hey, these people are serious. These people are serious. If we not go, they will come that time and say they want to protect La Republic. Because La Republic is a sovereign state where if they don't come, we go crumble La Republic. They will come now, we can't divide the fight. Because we don't hold La Republic for Canas. We don't hold La Republic for Canas. When no day La Republic will breathe, they can't divide the fight. So, in this regard, and we still want again, no election, and goes down start from the 4th to the 7th, will be announced by the interim government, and the forces, they don't send an audio for outside, where they circulate for outside, so nothing say some person will go against the law of the land. People don't die, people don't share blood. The only way forward is independence. La Republique, no way. Any man will think say, if he compromise, if he die with La Republique, they enter the camp. The man for Somaliland talks about it. He said, we get such people. We think say the what will they do, you know, if ever come to reality. But when we come to reality, what did they do? Even the government itself not be trust them. So our fellow civilians, our fellow population, the Ambalanders on Ground Zero, we know say La Republic in one way or the other, they will force some people who go outside. We know that one. They will take university prisoners in for prison. They can't do election. They will take councillors in. They can't do election. They will do a lot of propaganda. What we'll see another day. But to be cautioned, be of your house. Then this one take me for information. They get to me. He said the chief of in village in Batibo, he partake for this election. Chief, they say his name now Fomba Richard. We the one who won the fund of in village in Batibo. Special one in the go for the fund of Inyo for Batibo. Say the secret meeting where the whole of Bamenda for Congress Hall will be informed and your case there for a table. And not the restoration forces don't hold, your case there for that table. And then again, I want warn the chief from Bar Richard again to say they be hold the front on so they begin warning for all the other chief they for learn, all the other front they for learn. That they begin an example. Say me he go preach for the other phone. They know say when they hold you like a phone, you not get no mercy than to go muto ekema party. When they hold you like a phone, where you need to protect your people. Now people they put for that place. Then you want to compromise for take small money. Then you sell your people. When our restoration force they hold you, you not get done. Forgot tell Ekema say that word so is strong. Pass you. Because this one at the top the front of in your party when I share this old video, me reach you say he get two things for camp outside denounce the secret meeting where they hold up. Now front of form for I think about to we don't get a reliable information. Say he want partake for this election. He partake for this election. So we give a warning and we give injunction. Say we're holy for hand. We're holy for hand, my brothers and sisters. The front of in your phone from Bar Richard. Yes. Because I know when those are lost your legitimacy, you need to get respect again for your subject. Any form where if you don't run Ilan, not only from Bar Richard, any form if you don't run Ilan, you come this time for election, our restoration forces. See, we get one thing I say, I do got some time, I vex this to fight at them, I vex some time I die because we not even need to arrest some of these people. We give them traveling mercy. We just give them traveling mercy. You need to go rest for the disturbed place. Why we not waste our energy? Now war we did. When any man not decides to be an enabler, it's a threat to the revolution. I want to talk for our fighters. Me they know very well. This fund them so when they do it, they feel bend down for work with the CPDM regime for crush all winner. See, some fund them they decide say they will kill the whole village, rule the village, be only with their families. They need to take the interest of the people at heart. They take the interest of their family. That means all my people die. All my people die, then now their family, you remain. They know say they will start reproduction will start, it start expand, go. So our forces again will be very cautious when they move to this kind of target. We not give the compromise. Now time then this way fund they come outside, they speak. When I see how they fund them for West, they talk, fund them. Now that time this way, we never hear their own letters when they move outside. Say me Paul Biya stop this barbaric killing of us. As civilians. But with the year and how election they want come, where they won't go on exit. They don't send, they say come for village, can convince our people take sardine money on a this, can convince your people. Mbandam be try am give 5 million, he fail. I don't think say if Mbandam be fail because Mbandam he respects for inside Batibo Momo in general. If he pass all other phone. Yes. He respect the pass other phone. So if you feel go that far for one movie for game, you know, then me any phone for the whole ambassador. Una cut una leave before rain shall fall. Una cut una leave before rain shall fall. So now the one in this one you give the phone of email, me be very careful. Say we don't really know the secret meeting. No election, no day for ambassador. I repeat, and no man no get for go come out aside from the 4th to the 7th. It be bound, no, even but no why peep. Because any man will see for outside will assume to be military. Any man will see for on that day when it come outside. Because when we don't give this ban, we don't give it day. The only people when they disrespect our ghost town there now military because they be wear arm. Now they will go for outside. For one person where they amber boy dey. Okay, now we go come for military. We go come for them say, okay, now we this. And any matter will see our outside. Now you be that military where you come, we can't ask you to say where they now you this. So any where we take them, you go take another day. We go take another day. Any man they see for outside, any man they see for outside. So we gonna prepare ourselves for the 3 days lockdown. Now prepare yourself for the 3-day lockdown. This show, you know, too long because Chris Arnold they come for 8 p.m. Subsequently, Chris Arnold they come. Okay. Now you take me to how we help our fighters. How we will help our fighters for Ground Zero combat these black leg people. Activists, especially activists. Now, how this we the activists, the one that they write UN, Nacho, Wheezy, or Napoleon, or Caroline Mala, Clovis, all. Now, how we will help our restoration forces for identify who they be black leg, because this black leg they will talk, they be dangerous. They be dangerous than the Cameroon military. They be dangerous, and most of them na enablers. That means now our people they don't stand with us here. They will see how this revolution will succeed and they will destroy them. See, this man they call my country people. My country people. Only we ambassador alone we uncover that man. That man, he don't come outside, but he don't play intelligence enough for security. We never ever see his face. And some of we well the day here, activists, some people they know he, they don't want to show he, and he destroy the revolution. When he destroy the revolution, you can't stand. So the revolution go out, go up. Person need the drum. Where you know the best when the drum, the revolution bring her back. Then you only keep it. I want to say some people, not only activists, ambassador people they support the revolution. 100% we know plenty black leg. When we see we can't put for this is a black leg on cover. Black leg this. So when I think say that only we if we do that act. We not fit do one. Inbox, if you not put up your wall, inbox. If you not do one, you create a profile. Facebook profile. You put and say that black lady can explain ambassador will go take her. Then secondly again, people they can't write on that comment. If we dey live now, as I dey live, you didn't know black leg. And so when they made a big bowl
they no come with fake profile. When you succeed any black leg for Facebook, when no come with fake profile, celebrate. That means you don't catch one beef. And it beg all activists. When you succeed any one black leg, when it did against the revolution, against the struggle, any man did against this struggle is a black leg. That one a fact. Only if you deny that fact. Any man when it did against this revolution is a black leg. Because when it did against the revolution, means he did in support of La Republique. Automatically, when it did in support of La Republique, means we see our fighters, we go show La Republique and this. And we don't know say plenty the black leg they did on Facebook. They follow our activities. They follow all everything. Everything they give information for La Republique. And we know some of them. You see your comment. You see a black leg can write very well. You don't look at view quiet. You delete it. You give a check your profile. When you take your profile, you move your face. You put our aside, especially the one that did diaspora. You tell us, okay, now you did against the revolution. Okay, now Grand Zero that go there. Go there for Grand Zero, me see. You make it too so that me it will fight the war, me feel the pain. Because some of them they can't make that noise. They don't say they did for diaspora, they will come out, they go there for Grand Zero, they don't comment for our war, they don't feel see. When La Republique they follow our monitor our activities, La Republique they monitor our activities. Then La Republique don't put aside. They will see how we will enter the country. So we too now we're going to take our own black men and say now when you support La Republique, you dey abroad we go see how to way to go enter Ambassador. That's how we supposed to be 50-50. We're not supposed to laugh. We're not supposed to laugh, We're not supposed to laugh. When diaspora, the way they didn't support the struggle, they did against people in the way they don't like war. We get category of people. Some man they don't like war, any supporting La Republique, any supporting Ambassador, any neutral. That one be perfectly correct. We not feel judge a person. But at the time now, man, besides if they against Ambassador, Ambassador. Well, knowing for Facebook, if they will diaspora, automatically will tell you. If you want to enter, go ever dollar. If you want to enter, go dollar. We'll see how we go pass the Mongo for enter Ambassador. We don't take you to say okay now. We go see how you when you say you did against we, you will enter that land. Come back. We get for do all these things for first time. What we are realizing, say we do over sympathize. For 50, how many years ago La Republique, the chop we the canker worm. If the chop is small, we only die in silence, die in silence. Before we can explode. Say enough is enough. When we don't say enough is enough, then now once that compromise with people. We want to compromise. Now for war with them. We go to reflect again. Sometimes some people never reflect, say we didn't have a war. Sometimes people sitting say, now crisis, the government for La Republique, if you don't make sure then they end. That La Republique don't declare we war. When I see any place say Amoka, now Amoka they shoot. Now when I see mix Zion, now war, my country people. When I want to see La Republique talk, which can talk it was social media. Say it don't declare war for we. Where we see clown. When I want La Republique talk again, say it don't declare war for we. Where we see compromise with the people. We compromise with Black Leg on Facebook. You will see Black Leg on Facebook. You know, send them for Grand Zero, me Grand Zero, every sound in name. Me don't remember that America, I remember that Europe. Well, start doing this thing. Look at you don't even need for even post in name for your war. You don't even need for do one. We give a teach example when we take a name like me na Grand Zero send a message say they don't discover one black leg. Me here name it come right for Grand Zero. The other one they will call, and when they call, now see say our boys they know they kill our boys anyhow because plenty of them they tap intelligence for Facebook, they send for down. Plenty of them they did inside group start to discover one man and not take some man when I get problem for certain scores because when we talk to some people in that day they start take some man where you are in the gate, he borrow your money, you know, or he take your girlfriend, or he take your husband, you know, he shall be blackleg. That's why if you identify her too, we investigate, we know something that we do. You know, so you go pay too, you to go pay. Because now some can't want to that way they inside the struggle where some people now they want to use the struggle for settings that scores, family scores, friendship, or did this. We talk, I mean say we talk enablers. Enablers. You talk with proof because most of it is right. Most of it is right. When he write, he talk right. You take it, tap, that is right way, he write them. You take way evidence. We send them to our forces, say, now one enabler like this, we will not discover that for Weimar country. They me na Grand Zero bounty. No, now we get right to bounty. Me the forces, Grand Zero call, talk, bounty, say, they will see how we go enter Amazonia. So they will join hands together, we fight this black leg. Yes, we will join hands together, we fight all this black leg. See, ma tell some another get a question as she spark una wait. You know take we know nothing. We know he for a face. If you want take it for play with day, we go take her. Ambassina and be too linen. If you want take it for play with day la Republic. Be very easy because ambassadors are all over the la Republic. We dey all sides. We dey all sides. Now why let some people say we take the war for la Republic say no, because we dey all sides. We dey fight now for different the ambassador we come to we fight too. So we get to join hand as with our restoration forces. We fight this black leg because when I see our restoration forces, they catch black leg, they interview them. They catch black leg, they interview them. We will do with social media. We know black leg them. We know 100% black leg them for diaspora. We fear. Why the fear? Give the name. See now for we with the proof. We see now. If we only hear a name, we'll give them Gabonese. It's sound them. We'll give them this. It's sound them. If friend they go adjust. If friend they will adjust, they go stop. So now the small package I get for the black leg. Then we go for now the where they dey behind the killings of our fighters for Batibo, Bui, and all the like. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, we now recall the past my show on this Tuesday where I can cry for here the politics in Moamo LGA. When I cry for here, some people they write La Republic they can write nonsense. When I cry about the politics in Moamo LGA, it not take this. You not think that this when I see what happen for Guzan. Before that, you happen for Guzan. You not think that weeks when I see what happen for Bui, where they kill our brave fighter for Bui. Now, before one come to this proper and uncover people behind, who call names without fear. I won't tell them say I did a soldier. Anything if it happen, it happen because people don't die, and we too. If now we will die, since we will never again generation. If now we will die, miss on generation can't feel free. We go do it. If now we will die, miss on generation can't feel free. We go do it. Now why we see this our generation now the highest generation because if you see even now where we fight never again generation. People, when they want to disturb the revolution, now people they above you 60, 70 something. When I take any man take a critical look, any man when they disturb this revolution, you know they in the age of never again generation, 30, 35, they calm down. Now people they above 60. Now above 60, they worry we for the revolution. Okay, now before I go to that, when I remember some time we talk. Akaya talk say ADF. ADF, they get a hand in the killing of General Ivory. That one we not get doubt. ADF is working with the La Republic military. When I talk now ADF celebrate, they will come now. They attack me, but I don't care. I don't care. When I attack, when I will still go. La Republic, they sponsor ADF. And Ambassadors, they sponsor ADF. ADF get support in two ways. La Republic, they sponsor ADF, and Ambassadors, they sponsor ADF. People in the way that they use, I be talking, I say people in the way they use this name, this flag, cover them, then destroy the revolution. People in the way that they use the name Ambassador, then they sing the national anthem, then they do it, they contribute powerfully. I mean, say, the contribution, the person they contribute, if you want to come attack inside the forum, they will kick you out. Say, this man, you contribute this. Nah, it kill him. It kill him because it be sponsor to do that act. It be sponsor to do that act. What do I mean for say? I mean for say, plenty enable that the revolution, the day within we. The day within we. The series of audios as far as the incident for Batibo concern. I be talking the other last show for say Sikot Johnson and Mr. Fongang and Mr. Fongang. They behind this killing of Batibo. Some time I be post I don't post plenty in them as far as killing be concerned. Because when you get audios, series of fight and they tell you wait till it happen, wait till it happen. I be tell when I say some people in the way that they mislead our fighters. Some man tell me say, see God, he know the war we La Republic. He thinks say, see God, just need na powers. My fellow comrades, fellow ambassadors, this one first, it go for all the county chairs and all the LGAs. ADF now a threat to this revolution. So any chairman we want condo, he want something in heart with ADF. Una tell we. Any chairman we want something in heart, he say they don't go make peace. They want me to make peace. Una tell we. Our fighters they die so. Not because of that picking they don't want fight. That picking they don't want fight. I want to tell you something with this Sikot Johnson of Finland. They don't attack me plenty. And I don't say they will attack me, but I will keep on telling the ambassador people the truth. When I quite remember sometime I talk say where Ayabacho, when I go watch Ayabacho, he passed for this October, 1st October, his speech. When I begin through the revolution, kingly, Ayabacho his speech. Where make I mention Commando and Ayeke. No, before the one key Ayeke. Now which one? Before the one key Ayeke. Yes. Now October, because the key Ayeke after 1st October we don't do that. That listen. Ayabacho can mention Commando and Ayeke. Say a brave generals. I talk for my show. Say, make Commando be very careful when Ayabacho mention his name. Because since the revolution start, Ayabacho never ever acknowledge. When he go as far mention Commando, acknowledge Commando. And who acknowledge Commando if Equal Commando never fight no brave fight again? Commando they call. I say, Commando should be won. Ayeke should be won. Who say Ayeke fight himself? Okay, this one, and he talks so they go indirectly. For see how diaspora individuals, they manipulate our boys, they die every day. They kill him for Guzang. I tell you how it happened. They kill him for Guzang. They come into front. Military Kanka station for Guzang market. The ADF can make peace and reconciliation with fighters. Say me the day our fighters. Say they know they for war, all in our brothers and sisters. Now the cheap trap that. Now the cheap trap that way the Kiwi. Now the cheap trap that way diaspora. Because see, I want to talk something. These boys didn't take command for diaspora for peace. Because when diaspora not call you, talk say, he don't talk with Ayabacho. Ayabacho don't talk with the Efang. Efang say no, me they make peace, did this. So I don't tell you say when they come, when I accept peace, when I do this, when I do this. Our fighters are not fall into that cheap trap. I don't talk deep in the time again. Deep in the say they be very shocking. So ADF come for peace, ambush them. And who give them that order? Diaspora. It means what? Diaspora, they talk with Ayabacho. Siko Johnson, they talk with Ayabacho. I want to tell you something again. When we be talk say, when we will be talk say, when I talk about show here, I say, Siko Johnson no one give the LGA the autonomous right to fight this revolution. They start a storming block to block the LGA. The LGA no get total control over commando. I talk about it and you talk time again. I want to tell you that instance will not happen. And by the time people will know instance will happen. So that when tomorrow something can reach, me don't know say the activists if you don't talk them before it happen. Sometimes the day where commando Free Marshal make an audio. Free Marshal make an audio way for enforced lockdown. Our Excellency give order for commando. Semi commando do suit. Me do the same. When commando be do that audio, Sikot be very furious. Say who give commando the right for do that audio? And that time, now LGA the control commando. Yeah, when LGA give right commando do audio. They hear the Sikot. Castan. Talk say who give audacity for commando for do that audio. So they suppose console you for you to give that order commando. Secondly, this same Sikot Johnson, if I talk with ambassador people, when I bring me and you for debate, any man with the support when I bring me and you for debate, my ask question. They don't take 5 million from Bandam. They take 5 million from Bandam for allow election. Me election goes smoothly for Batibo. But the other restoration forces, they retaliate. They retaliate. They take 5 million from Bandam. I want to tell you at the level where these people they go. If they take 5 million from Bandam, if they want to deny, they come for air, deny. Bandam don't die. You come for air, deny, swear, say they don't take 5 million. Take 5 million, I will get audio where the person they take 5 million from Bandam. If you take 5 million from Bandam, Bandam you what we who? La Republic government. So automatically, you know allow election, me election goes smoothly for Batibo. You automatically say in the one with La Republic, me La Republic, the activities go smoothly for Batibo. Because when Bandam, you take a 5 million from Bandam, automatically you talk so me election goes smoothly for Batibo, Bandam win, then Batibo they come cold. We have to be very careful. Secondly, this Sikot of a man, he tell our fighters make an audio I mean say audio where Sikot he call fight commando, he send commando the message talk say the LGA don't contribute money for war draft. Say LGA don't contribute money for war draft. Send fighters them. Me they go train, prepare for car fight commando. When I see the level of confusion where a diaspora man, You will call a fighter. He talk say people don't contribute money. They send am for another fighter. Me another fighter go prepare. We can fight too. When they be investigate, command they be investigate the issue. Can reach now. They never see the fighters. And can reach now. No nothing. It never happen. When we diaspora, we start tell ADF. Say me they go to reconcile with our fighters. We get audios, plenty. All the fighters they see cry. I want to tell you something. When I tell these people, they give chance. They give chance for the LG work. When I see, I want to tell more people get money. When I tell this, if they don't want to take commando, me commando give chance. Me the other people, me the other fighters they fight. Now two things. I been talking for you the last show say any fighter will give loyalty to individual. They know what you individual they do. Other than they kidnap people, take a ransom. When they do this, if you fight as give allegiance, now fight as give allegiance to individual, there's a problem. There is a problem. When I tell Sikot, that Sikot, they must mind the killings of our fighters in battle because it chop two sides. Any crowd, when I see any crowd on Facebook, all the time cry on Facebook. I want to tell Amazonian the shocking revelation way we now get them. Now we're going to expose everything. When I see fighter that cry, fighter they can't cry. Some people they be very fast. For cat talk say people they contribute money, they need to see action. People they contribute money, fighter they die. I want to tell you now. When the incident could go be happen, I tell you what will happen. I'll be there for that group of Euro where I talk to the beginning. We will contribute 2,000 euros. For give us a fight ADF. Meet them. They tell we say that they don't put a strategy in place for take ADF out. When we give them 2,000 euros, the interim government give $4,000. The interim government give $4,000. The group, some group for America, they contribute $8,000. That's how much? 4 plus 6, how many? 4. We will give 2. The other people they give 4. I mean 6. 6 plus 8. Now 14. No? 6 plus 8. Now 14. We not calculate how many million that. We not hear everyone talk. I mean talk for up. That means the thing die. We ask them accountability. So no man no ever give accountability. Karishna. And the talk with I need to talk na the one way me and here I talk na way I participate. I mean the money I participate 9 million something. You not hear no to Karishna. It is just waiting. Those gang that you work with ADF. Those people the way they take. When commando never realize, say they will kill you. And when I take commando, if commando never realize, say they will kill you, they will kill you. These people they work with ADF. And the shocking fact that say the money you need to reach, what I reach for Ground Zero, when I say they don't get alliance with the fighters of Ground Zero, when I take on a be my quiet, when I take on a be this. When I take on a be this. Now these people, they kill our fighters. When ADF kill for Guzan, ADF got kill for Kugbe, when I still get the call for take ADF, say me ADF, our fighter, me our fighter go reconcile with ADF. Reconcile with ADF. Kill our fighters. Kill you them. Now you them that way they still get future. Somebody they kill for that. Better say they kill for war front. For war front, you know, say they conform military. Brother, key brother. Brother, key brother. Then when I tell Français, it does a bit no bad. I talk this one, I talk again. I be tell General Ayeke. I tell say, when I be call Ayeke, I try for convincing me see the need. Where if you fight with the interim government, if you fight with the LGA, me join the LGA, I talk with Ayeke time and again. I give Ayeke a number for some sister for UK. The sister say me too. I tell Ayeke say I will give a number For some sister for UK, military talk with ye. Ayeke talk, they talk with Ayeke no fit understand. We talk with Ayeke, that's why tell me say Ayeke be hardened. So say yeah, Ayeke the quarry. Ayeke stand for firm for take Free Marshal down, but he any life with it. I be tell Ayeke one thing. Free Marshal na the biggest voice, my brother. When some man pass you, leave him. Fight the fight. Forget about Free Marshal. Fight your fight with the LG. You get your own calm. Free Marshal no will pass your territory. You know will pass your Free Marshal territory. When I feel they call for collaboration, bro, this military come, I will block for you. It end. We have money, you know will pass your Free Marshal hand. Free Marshal money, you know will pass your hand. But Ayeke cannot be listening because he be thinks they will work with individuals. Because the individuals that they give you money where the money no get long run, as well as the fighters when they do battle. If you think say we have hear order, we no respect peace plan, then it will fail. Una. I said this program you know too long. Then I will go now for RPGs. Yes, I will go now for RPGs. Now, after all these people don't talk, we don't talk, they don't do this, they don't do this, they don't do this, they don't do this. Now they wait, what will be the way forward now for the revolution? Because when you talk, you don't give the way forward. That means we'll still stand only for one spot. The dance by only for one spot. We need to move a step ahead. We need to move foot ahead. We get to dance, then we stand march forward. Therefore, I don't talk for ambassador people time and again say we don't start preach the RPG all the time, and I want thanks all the fight the activists where you don't join my voice and the LG in the way at the year they don't start to preach towards RPG, but my country people, ambassador people, now RPG go end the war and all we go for stand no say RPGs we give a deep our hand deep into our pocket for end this war. Any man will think say this war will end at any time. Now RPG will end them. It be very low for call RPG, but I will call them for the show. I thought I will call them. I will still call them. Say no go buy RPG. We need RPG. We like want the video go any side. We need RPG this time around. 2021 will end the war with the RPG. Because we don't lose plenty. Operation RPG. When we want get AK, we don't be get AK in one day. Forget RPG. It take a long time. Small. We want discover say we don't get enough RPGs and 1 year say we destroy Amoxin. My people, La Republic get hopes for the revolution of Amoka. La Republic he hopes for the revolution of Amoka. By the time one Amoka for La Republic, he passed 10 military. When he destroy one Amoka for La Republic, he passed 10 military. He passed 20 or 100 military killer. La Republic believe on Amoka. When I see all the time where there are government officials, they don't want to come for a land, they work on already. Now we Amoka. Now because they know that Amoka is give them enough protection. They know that they can challenge me because they get way to it. They get machine, they get motor way, we will shoot bullet, you know, will enter. Then they will get the chance to walk over our territory. But when we use RPG, we start blow the. That means see, if RPG need not Amoka style and say they will carry and go for garage fix again. RPG need to destroy Amoka. Then you think for say if you go for garage. RPG did not Amoka is scattered. Then any man they inside that Amoka, they need to see cops. RPG take down buildings. RPG take down building. What did catch? Now the way forward. Now the best method that. But how if we do? We get born. But our boys them. If you want to go some people military don't stand for the black let the plenty now. If you tell say Amber boys they pass to the place. Say Amber boys they always pass here. Our boys always pass here. Sometimes our boys go target for do economic sabotage. Why they ambush them? But with RPG, we don't need that one. RPG we need for target the same with blood the light. We do video. Well, we see how the RPG go jam the building, almost scatter. It's that building. Why we not wait? We see conference then. Like election they come. This election way La Republic is trying to plan them. Now work that for RPG, my brother and sister. As a day inside that canopy, they try to do that thing. And for the way you hit up with it, all man sleep. All man day inside that canopy when I enable like all man sleep. You go hear news. Now only RPG if you work out. Because Amoka, if you stand, Amoka will stand with it. We go hit because Amoka if you can stand with the front way the top. We go hit the Amoka will join that people, move off again. Amoka go other people join that Amoka, kick them. They move all man for that area for game. My brothers and sisters, moving in this direction, we end this war. We don't fight, they fight enough. Our fighters they don't fight. They don't fight. Move that thing in this direction. RPG go end the business. I don't talk so we'll talk again. And I will still keep on talking. We will talk and see that way they try use them. That way they try use them. And I will confirm. That way anyone LGA succeed for Nakam. We not go here. No be Ambazonian. We not forget this one way. Our fighters, they will they hit Amoka, they do them, they show them for we, they do this. Now that one, now a strategy where they don't do it for if you show me with diaspora say okay, they do work so that we to get the courage for contribute. But with RPG, now La Republic go give you the information. Now international body go give you the information. No be we the resolution forces. No be that we will give you that information. Now CRI TV where they need to talk about Ambazonian. Now they go tell you say Ambazonian don't use very sophisticated weapon, destroy this. You not go hear news. So my brothers and sisters, as I already talk, we know we'll take too much time for today. Christian will come live. Ghost time, give respect them. No election for Ambazonian. The killings. Enable as a day inside Mugamo LGA. Not even Mugamo LGA. That people know inside Mugamo LGA. They know draft. See, because they don't draft. So if any man will talk with fighters for Mugamo, will tell them say LGA be well structured. Any man no respect the LGA norms. Will not fit. Will not fit take money give for Cyber Commando Day. No one day. We don't fit talk them again. Talk them again. Say if Mugamo, he no wants the boy, they no want be loyalty under the LGA. We feel quick Bali, Mugamo na one place. We come na one place. So my brothers and sisters, we keep on the struggle. We dey on good foot. We dey on good foot, irrespective of the sad moment. But Boya is near. Thank you so much for watching.